Let's talk about how high XRP could go once the lawsuit is finished. And some lawyers are weighing in, talking about when peak FOMO could actually set in. And it's interesting to actually think about this. And I agree with a lot of what's said here in this video. Deaton has weighed in on it. We're going to dive into it because there's definitely going to be a FOMO event after the price goes up. I mean, we're essentially trading at 50 cents right now. And now what Deaton says is, he thinks we're going to go to about $2 before peak FOMO even sets in. And I could see that because I think just the institutional money that will come in alone could send us to $2. And so John Deaton has made a bold prediction about the price of XRP. Of course, it's sitting currently just under 50 cents. We'll call it 50 cents for easy math. And he believes that, big investors will immediately push it to the $1 mark. Now, he also believes that it won't be full-on FOMO until we hit $2. And this is what he says. XRP sits at 48 cents, and it's crazy to think about how many people who refuse to buy it now are going to buy it over $1. What's even more crazy is that FOMO won't likely kick in until $2. Other analysts have said some things weighing in on this. While Deaton's insights and predictions have garnered attention, it's worth noting that his perspectives align with those other analysts who have been closely monitoring the trajectory. Dark Defender, crypto analyst, predicted $1.30 as the target if it crosses the significant threshold of 50 cents by August. This is just from a technical perspective. Considering the long-term prospects of XRP, another analyst reflects on the impact of the SEC lawsuit that has profoundly influenced XRP's price action. Acknowledging previous predictions of XRP reaching prices as high as $20 to $30 in 2020, the analyst highlights the regulatory challenges faced by Ripple prevented those projections from materializing. Now, I don't like to get overzealous here with my predictions, but I think a realistic price prediction, once FOMO and once institutional money really sets in, I think a 10x from here is a really good bet. So if we're essentially saying we're at 50 cents today, I think we can definitely top out at $5 in the next bull cycle. And I think that's a pretty conservative guesstimate considering what we have going on with XRP, how many people don't have access to it, and like it was said here by Deaton, how many people won't buy it until it's quote-unquote safe. So what do you guys think down below? How high will XRP go once we get clarity and once we get perhaps a win by Ripple? Let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe down there. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.